of the storm is what causes the surge. We're going to talk about that because that is one of the threats that we have here, where we have tropical storm watches and warnings. And what that means is that these conditions, you could see them when it comes to a watch within 48 hours. With a warning, it's within 36 hours. Remember, tropical storm force winds go 39, and then once you get to 74, that's a hurricane. But it's not just the winds, it's also the rains and the surge and whatnot. Though we do have a hurricane watch here, again, within 48 hours, you could see hurricane force winds. There's only one model that pumps it up to hurricane strength, but it's exploding right now into the Gulf of Mexico. Now, when we talk about surge, the size of the storm and the forward speed are two of the biggest components with surge. What exactly is surge? That's when a tropical entity can build up the water and then push it ashore with its forward motion, and of course doing significant damage. Katrina comes to mind. That is the most recent hurricane that we had with a tremendous surge. Remember, that hurricane took up almost the entire Gulf of Mexico. It was slow moving, and the surge got up to 28 feet. We are going to see nothing like that with this system. That was a Category 3 hurricane, by the way. We're thinking we could see surge up to 3 feet, but again, it can go all the way up to 28 feet with systems like Katrina. So what does 1 to 3 feet look like, and where are we going to see it? Well, this is the west coast of Florida. There's Gainesville, Florida. The Cantori's just off to the west here. Tampa is down here. That's that area. So it's north of the Tampa area, well north of Tampa. We're talking 1 to 3 foot surge is what we could see. As we go a little bit farther north, we could see that surge closer to that 3, 4, maybe pushing a little higher than that. Again, a lot of these areas are used to this, and you want to take your car to higher ground if you can, and that would be into perhaps a parking garage, up a couple levels in order to save your car. So speaking of your car, how much water does it take? Does it take 1 foot? Does it take 3 feet in order to move your car? Well, let's have a look at our surge graphic and show you that 6 inches of swiftly moving water can knock you off your feet, so you have to remember that. All you need is about a foot of swiftly moving water to move your car. But when the surge, it comes in slow, guys. It's not like it's not a tsunami, if you will, coming in. That surge is going to build and build and build and build. And this is about what we think. So it could